Hi, it's me, Marcel. Let me tell you about my water woes and how I fixed it.
So what you're looking at here is the tap for our Culligan reverse osmosis system, which is actually located in the basement below the countertop here. And we were having all sorts of interesting little problems with this thing. Specifically, it was getting to the point where it took forever for water to come out. We'd have water dripping out like this, as opposed to like that, which is kind of what we'd be expecting. Okay, so even we turn it on and we get a good stream for a few minutes, and then it would just slow down to this trickle, and eventually just, it would take forever to fill up anything. So if you wanted a pot of coffee, or if you wanted to make some juice, or you wanted to cook with this thing, it was just a pain. So I called Culligan and they gave me some tips. And why don't you just follow me down into the basement and I will show you what we did to make this thing work properly again. So hidden behind this door in the basement is the scary little cabinet, which has, where the water comes in and stuff like that. But it also has our Culligan reverse osmosis system. There are the filters up there, and there's the unit down here. And anyhow, like I said, the unit was not working particularly well. So what Culligan suggested when I called him up, rather than me actually having to bring somebody in to take a look at it, is to remove this thing here. Let me remove this here. I don't know if you can see this, but, and this is pretty cool, I'm unscrewing it right now. Ta-dum. There we go. Okay, so it's off. There it is. It's off. Yeah, it looks like the cover of a bicycle or a tire, right? Where, you pump up the tires for the bicycle. Well, this is exactly what you do. So I was told that I should take a bicycle pump and then I should fill this thing up to 10 pounds of pressure. So let me put that back on here. I'll put that back on here because I did that already. I used a bicycle pump. And in fact, if you want to know, I'll show you the bicycle pump. So there it is. There's the bicycle pump I used, and I used a little gauge down there to know when I got to 10 pounds. But that's it. That's the bicycle pump. It is actually a bicycle pump. Not kidding here. Anyway, so I filled this thing up to 10 pounds, and miracle of miracles, it works like a charm. It's fantastic. Now, before you embark on this exciting adventure, there is one other thing I should tell you. Before you go and put the air in this thing here, look up there. See that little valve up there? That's the shutoff that brings the water into the tank. Now, not this valve at the top of the tank, but this one up here that brings the water in. So what you want to do is you want to shut that thing off, and then you want to go upstairs and drain, or wherever, whether it's downstairs or upstairs, and drain all the water from this thing, okay? So you want to drain all the water from the system, and once you've done that, then you can go ahead and perform the bicycle pump magic. I hope this helps. If you like what I'm doing, give a like, thumbs up. If you don't like it, give a thumbs down. Whatever, let me know what you think, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.